let me ask you something before we start. How much of your day is spent on repetitive tasks? Sorting emails, replying to inquiries, logging data. It's exhausting, right? But what if you could automate all of that? Hello everyone, I'm Joe, and welcome back to the channel. Imagine freeing up hours every week, staying organized, and responding faster, all without lifting a finger, and that's where automation flows come in. These are systems that handle repetitive tasks for you automatically. Instead of manually replying to emails, logging inquiries, or sending updates, an automation flow connects your tools and does all the work for you behind the scenes. Now, there are lots of tools out there to help you build automation flows. Tools like AI or N8N are popular choices for creating workflows. But today, I want to take it a step further and show you how AI makes automation even smarter. By adding AI, you're not just automating steps, you're creating workflows that can adapt, optimize, and make decisions for you. This is where AI Wize Autopilot comes in. While tools like AI or N8N are great, I think AI Wize stands out because it integrates AI seamlessly, connects with tools you already use like Gmail, Slack, and Google Sheets, and is incredibly easy to use, even if you've never built an automation flow before. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a smart, automated system that handles customer inquiries automatically. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a workflow that drafts professional replies, notifies your team, and logs inquiries for tracking. This isn't just about saving time, it's about transforming how you work. So let's dive in. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is an automation flow? It's a way to connect your apps and create systems that handle repetitive tasks automatically. For example, let's say you want to automatically reply to customer inquiries, notify your team about new leads, organize those leads in a tracking system. Instead of doing all of that manually, an automation flow handles it for you. Why is this important? Because those little tasks, like sorting emails or updating databases, add up. You might spend only a few minutes on each task, but over a week, a month, or a year, that's hours of your life gone. Automation flows give you back that time. They're consistent, error-free, and they run in the background while you focus on the bigger picture. And when you add AI to the mix, the possibilities get even better. AI makes these flows dynamic. It can adapt to new situations, generate responses that feel human, and scale with your workload. Now, there are plenty of tools you can use to build automation flows, and AI or N8N are great options. But what sets AI Wize Autopilot apart is how it combines the simplicity of building workflows with the power of AI. AI Wize connects seamlessly with the tools you're already using, Gmail, Slack, Google Sheets, and more. And with AI integrations like ChatGPT, your workflows become smarter. For example, instead of just sending a canned email reply, you can use AI to generate a personalized response based on the content of the email. It's not just automation, it's intelligent automation. Today, I'll show you exactly how to build an automation flow using AI Wize. Let's create a system that handles customer inquiries automatically.
All right, here's the scenario. You're getting tons of customer emails every day, and instead of replying to each one manually, we're going to build a system that drafts professional replies, notifies your team, and logs the inquiries for tracking. First, we need to tell the system when to start. Log into AI Wize and head to the Flow section. Click Create Flow to start building. Then, connect your email app, like Gmail, and set the trigger to New Email Received. This means the flow will activate every time a new email lands in your inbox. If you want this workflow to focus only on certain emails, like customer inquiries, you can add a filter. Add a filter action and set a condition, such as filtering emails with inquiry or support in the subject line or from specific senders. This ensures the workflow doesn't act on irrelevant messages. Here's where the magic happens. Add an action to connect to ChatGPT. Send the email's content, like the sender's name, subject line, and body, to ChatGPT. Then, create a prompt to guide it. For example, write a professional reply to this email. Address the sender as name and let them know we'll follow up shortly. ChatGPT will generate a polished, personalized reply for each email based on its content. Next, we'll save the response in your email app. Add a save draft action and set it up dynamically. For the to field, use the sender's email address. For the subject, use original subject. And for the body, insert ChatGPT's response. This way, every time an email comes in, the workflow creates a ready-to-send draft for you. Let's keep your team in the loop. Add a notification action, such as Slack or SMS. Configure the message to include key details like the sender's name, the subject, and a link to the saved draft. This ensures your team can act quickly if needed. Finally, let's log the inquiry for tracking. Add an action to connect to Google Sheets or Notion. Log the sender's name, email, subject, and the time the email was received. You can even add a status field, like draft reply sent, to keep everything organized. This flow does it all. It handles emails, keeps your team updated, and organizes inquiries for easy tracking. Imagine how much time this could save you. Instead of spending hours replying to emails manually, everything is handled for you in seconds. It's faster, more accurate, and ensures no inquiries slip through the cracks.
Automation flows aren't just about saving time, they're about transforming how you work. As Bill Gates said, automation applied to an efficient operation will magnify the efficiency. With AI Wize, you're building a system that takes care of the grunt work so you can focus on the big picture. It's like having an invisible productivity engine running behind the scenes, keeping everything moving. If you're ready to give it a try, head to the AI Wize website and start building your first workflow today. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on working smarter with AI. Until next time, stay efficient and keep innovating.